Good morning, welcome to the IT Voice Weekly Channel News. I, Ritin Gupta, will bring you the latest updates and innovation from the channel industry. Kaspersky held its 2024 APN Cybersecurity Weekend in Sri Lanka, focusing on emerging cyber threats and AI-driven challenges. The event highlighted the growing threat of ransomware, especially through ransomware and the service Rasmar. AI's role in the cyber crime, including the phishing malware creation and advisor attacks was a key focus. Expertise warned of the risk of compromised supply chains, targeting sectors like government, finance, and manufacturing. Kaspersky emphasized the need for cybersecurity strategies that align with the regional legal requirements and data governance. Fujifilm India launched the SC285S and EPOS CS245OS at Chennai Print Expo 2024. Showcasing their latest printing innovation. The SC285S offers expanding current capabilities with 5 stations and advanced color option beyond CMYK for vibrant and accurate output. The APOS CS450S designed for SMBS and SOHOS, featuring user-friendly function and robust security measures. The SC285S includes a smart monitoring gate for a precise color management and uses eco-friendly Super EA input. The APOS CS2450N delivers 24 PPF printing in both color and monochrome with high resolution output and advanced LED print technology. Fujifilm India emphasized its commitment to innovation aiming to enhance efficiency, quality, and versatility in a printing industry. Zotac launched the Zotac Direct app designed to empower channel partners to reward and bonus program. The app transfers every sale into a profitable opportunity, allowing partners to collect and track bonus points automatically. It features a tiered reward system, offering exclusive rewards and additional opportunities through monthly and long-term campaigns. The app also provides a comprehensive training with the product videos and updates to enhance partners. Sales skills and knowledge. Zotac Direct is a historic initiative marketing Zotac as the first in the industry to introduce such a platform, developed under the Make India initiative. Thermal Teak launched the Tower 600 mid-tower chasers available in the black, snow, hydrangea, blue, and matcha green. The Tower 600 features a striking vertical design with the octagonal brim shape of enhanced aesthetic appeal. It supports a hidden connector motherboard like Asus VTF series, MSI Project Zero series, and Gigabyte Project series. The chassis accommodates a 420mm AIO radiator on the right and 360mm AIO radiator on the left of superior cooling. The Tower 600 includes 2 pre-installed CT140 PC cooling fans and supports up to 13 120mm for 9 140mm fans. Easy installation is ensured with the rotating PCIe slots, tool-free removable panels, and effective cable management features. Western Digital launched the Share Your Happy Memory contest in India, running from August 1, 2024 to January 13, 2025. Participants can win exciting prizes, including a Honda Elevate or Harley-Davidson and 440. To enter, customer must purchase eligible SanDisk product for 128 GB or above or WD products for 2 TB or above. The contest is done with the festive season, ending joy to celebrate like Durga Puja, Diwali, Dussehra and Navratri. Participation is easy. Customer can share the QR code on the product package or visit www.shareyourmemory.in and rates must fill a required details and share a happy memory in 30 to 200 words of qualified. Acer India launched the Nitro V16, its first AI-powered gaming laptop with a complete AI-driven CPU, GPU, and hardware setup. The laptop features AMD Ryzen R7 8845HS series processor and NVIDIA GeForce 4060 series AI graphics with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB SSD. The Nitro V16 has a 16-inch WQXD8 display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, 2560 into 1600 resolution and 100% RSDB color accuracy. Enhanced with AI-driven feature like Copilot in Windows 11. The laptop offers a detailed web-based answers, creativity boost, and collaboration enhancements, purified voice 2.0 and AI 2. removes background noise for clear audio during gaming and video calls. The Acer Quick Panel simplifies control or purified view and purified voice AI setting for easy camera and microphone management. Gigabyte launched AORUS OLED monitors in India for gaming and entertainment. Features the world first DP 2.1 UVHBR20 technology with 18 Gbps bandwidth and daisy chain support. Offers a 360Hz refresh rate, QHD resolution and true black 400 brightness with QD OLED technology. Both monitors include a tactile resolution switch for quick display to adjustment and night vision for enhanced low-quality visibility. AI-based OLED Care protect against screen burn with a feature like pixel clean and static control. A price at INR 1,34,499 in INR 86,999 available from September. Thank you for tuning in for the weekly channel news bulletin. See you next week.